If you prefer your iPhone to be smaller and cheaper, then you may be pleased to hear that there are numerous pointing to new version of iPhone SE, which will be iPhone SE 2 launching in 2018. So in this video, I'm going to talk about iPhone SE 2 design, iPhone SE 2 screen, new features, iPhone SE 2 specs, and two more things, price and release date. So let's get started with the design. A Chinese report from February 2018 said that the iPhone SE 2 will have a similar design to the current iPhone SE. However, it will have a larger 4.2-inch display apparently. The bigger display won't be due to it having an all-screen display like the iPhone 10. The report states that it will still maintain the classic iPhone shape and the front home button to spot the fingerprint recognition. Another relatively radical prediction comes from the report cited earlier, which says that the headphone port is going to disappear. If we see leaked photos and concept illustration, we have seen a number of iPhone SE 2 leaks, and the latest appearing on 26th of April 2018 shows a design featuring a new glass back for wireless charging and a 3.5mm hole for a headphone jack. The latter news will come as a surprise to see, given that just days earlier another image appeared to show no headphone jack. The image appeared on the Chinese social network site, and it's not clear how trustworthy they are. And /Leak has posted an image allegedly showing the chassis of the iPhone SE 2 in two colors, gold and rose gold, and they fairly clearly have glass backs, which suggest support for wireless charging. And the case maker Alexa has created a render of the iPhone SE 2018, which will be iPhone SE 2, for a screen protector product it plans to sell. And here is an idea of what we could expect from concept creator, and imagine what the iPhone SE 2 might look like if Apple was to give it an iPhone 10 like redesign and some vivid new color finishes. Now let's talk about iPhone SE 2 screen. There has also been a suggestion that iPhone SE could have 4.2-inch screen rather than the current 4-inch. The extra 4-inch being made possible by reducing the size of the bezels, although unlike the iPhone 10, which has a screen that stretches to the base of the phone and thus no home button, the home button is expected to remain on the iPhone SE 2. And talking about new features in iPhone SE 2, the new iPhone SE won't be a flagship, so you shouldn't expect any totally new features. But here is some new features we can expect to see in the iPhone SE 2. First one is Face ID. This is the B, and if we are looking at an iPhone SE with an Face ID, it would imply that we are also getting an edge-to-edge screen and no home button. Second one will be the enhanced NFC capabilities. And third one, wireless charging. The new iPhone SE 2 could offer wireless charging thanks to the rumored glass back. Fourth one will be 3D touch. Now let's talk about iPhone SE 2 specs. The new iPhone SE 2 will offer an A10 Fusion chip. We have seen this chip in the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. It currently offers an A9 chip as used in the iPhone 6s, and it will support 2GB of RAM and 32GB or 128GB capabilities as currently. In addition, we could see 5MP or 7MP FaceTime camera. The battery will also have a slightly raised rating from 1640 mAh to 1700 mAh. This might be necessary to power the slightly larger display if that happens. The iPhone SE is currently available in 32GB and 128 version in the UK, and the 32GB model cost €379 and 128GB is €479. For the comparison, in the US, the iPhone SE costs $399 for 32GB and $449 for 128GB. I expect the iPhone SE to be similar priced when and if it launches. That's it guys, I have this much information right now for this phone, and let me know if you have any other or latest report about this iPhone SE 2. If you like this content, make sure to like this video, and thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.
you.